What's up, guys? Welcome to today's episode, and we'll be talking about watching Netflix whilst playing a game. Before we start, we need to check if our controller is connected. We see the blue light, we see it's connected. Now, first of all, we want to go to game base to access any random conversation and then send the user Netflix link. Now, once we click that, we can navigate to the page and we can sign in to our Netflix account. So we're gonna log in here and we're gonna input our credentials into Netflix so we can access our Netflix page. Now, once we have that on this card, we're gonna open up the particular movie that we want to watch. Once we have that sorted out, we're gonna click options and then we're gonna resize the card. So we're gonna resize the browser and we're gonna option again and we're gonna go to pin the card on the left or the right side. Once we have that, now we have two windows and we can choose the game that we want to play. At this point, we have Netflix on the left side and we have the game playing on the right side. And that's how you do it.